Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to INFINITI of Nashua, we have our 2023 Audi Q5. This one is a Premium Plus S-Line with some nice Audi Sport wheels, Navarra blue with the black optics pack, I believe it's called. So just enough flair to make this thing look really, really good. Bang & Olufsen sound system with the Premium Plus package. Then this year it comes with the Premium Plus package. Before, I do believe it was an additional option. If you've ever wondered why the turn signals are mounted down low, it's a US regulation that turn signals cannot be mounted on movable parts. So because this rear hatch is movable, you cannot have the turn signals on it. So that's why the turn signals are mounted down low. 2.0 turbo 4, 7-speed automatic. Premium Plus gives you a Audi virtual cockpit. Efficiency assist. Aha, okay, that makes sense. You can change what camera you want displayed, I see. So I'm a big fan of the Q5. Always really have been, especially when they put the supercharged 6 in these things. It just was a cool, fun SUV. And if you think about it, the Macan is based off of the previous generation platform. Obviously they've made tweaks to it and everything, but they drive similar enough to the point where if you bought a Q5, you get, for the price point, a pretty good taste of Macan ownership. So much torque out of that 4-cylinder. Obviously paddle shifters behind the wheel. I do think this is one of the best manual modes in this segment, bar none. It is just so responsive. Steering feels pretty good. Good amount of weight to it in your sport mode without being overbearing. They're actually doing a lot of deliveries out of there now. This makes sense, it's one of the first ones in New Hampshire. Next closest was Natick, which is about an hour drive from here. I think what really, this is obviously being the S-Line, is the in-betweener of the S5 and your Q5, SQ5 I should say, and the Q5. I don't feel like I'm missing a ton of that SQ5. Obviously, yeah, you're missing the power, the sound, stuff like that. I would be very curious to see how this does on a track day. I mean, obviously, a lot of track days won't allow you to race this because it's an SUV. But I've driven the Cayenne S on track, and that thing was pretty darn good. This, I can tell the platform has a lot of that good potential. And it's just a really, really nice SUV to drive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.